Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious twisted donuts. First, gather all your ingredients including flour, yeast, sugar, and eggs to begin preparing your dough. Next, you'll mix and knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. After that, let it rise until it has doubled in volume. Finally, we'll shape and fry these delightful treats to perfection. To prepare your dough, start by combining your dry ingredients in a large bowl. Then, gradually add the wet ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a floured surface and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has risen beautifully, gently punch it down and roll it out onto a lightly floured surface. Aim for a rectangle about 1/4 inch thick. Now, cut the dough into strips, each approximately 1 inch wide and 6 to 8 inches long. Take each strip and twist it several times to create that signature spiral. Finally, join the ends of each twisted strip to form a donut shape. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few twisted donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove them and drain on a wire rack. While still warm, dip them in a simple sugar glaze for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.